ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣe yọ lọ́dọ̀ ìsinyìí náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Òun láyé ọpẹ́, òun ló máa fi máa yọ. Èwo ni mo ní ká jọ gbéyẹ̀wò lọ́jọ́ títí òní gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe jọ máa ń ṣe. Ṣé mọ̀ wípé ó gbẹnu tán? Ó gbẹnu tán ló yẹ ká máa pè é tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí sí. Ó gbẹnu tán ló yẹ ká máa pè é tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Tàbí kò wá gbẹnu tán bí? Tó bá gbẹnu tán, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ lórí comment section. Èyí tá mú wá lọ́jọ́ títí òní náà, eléyìí gbẹ̀tìkẹ́, ó lẹ́tìkẹ́, ó ga, ó thick, ó pọ̀ síbẹ̀.
And one of my child is been missing, and they cannot be able to define the reason why my child is missing, and they have not tell me nothing. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. I'm here as a mother, as a pained mother, a woman who have children, and I'm here to cry out for what I've been keeping in my life. I cannot bear it anymore. I live in the UK. My children is being taken away from me since 2018. Up till now, they cannot find any allegation. Nothing is founded against me that make them take my children except lies. I was not evicted. I was not being arrested. I was not being apart from a lie they base their decision on. As we are talking now, I'm very pained. I cannot bear it anymore. It has come to me being very weak, that nobody, the local authority, the police, the social worker, they have frustrated my life, and they even want me to go into a mental the way they are treating me. And the most of all of everything right now, the children they said I'm not taking care of, that make them remove them out of my care. And one of my child is been missing, and they cannot be able to define the reason why my child is missing, and they have not tell me nothing. I've been to police, I've called, I have sent email, I've not gotten no reply. I'm here to cry out now to public. I have to throw away everything, my ego, whatever. I cannot be able to carry the cross alone. I'm calling to every fellow mother, woman, that know the pains of a child, that know the pains, the cry of a mother, how baby was being delivered, whether being natural or not. Hear my cry. I'm not faking this. I have been suffering since 2018, whereby my children was taken away from me wrongly. Please, audience, share this video to BBC. I have my story. I have evidence. I have everything that I can provide to prove my case. Please, everyone, come to my aid. I don't know what to do anymore. I have fought effortlessly. I've fought effortlessly to gain the return of my children. Everything that I have used it to fight this case.
The president of the Zoo Nation, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is really looking for my trouble. I must bring him down from the seat because it doesn't belong to him. Fulani X-Men are killing the innocent people in Benue State, and the so useless president is not doing anything about it. Justice for Benue State, I'm at your back. Tinubu, be ready to face me in the court of law.
My people, just about 1,495 people, they scammed the whole country, Nigeria, of the population of over 250 million people, and nothing was done. Number one, I will prove it to you. Number two, if you are still believing that Nigeria is going to be better, watch this video first.
To win a senatorial seat is now between 1.2 billion. 1 or 2 billion. You need that to win a Senate seat. To win a House of Reps, you need another 1 billion. State House of Assembly, you need about 500 M to win that. To win governorship, you need, depending on the state, for Delta, you need about like 20. For Rivers, you need about 25 billion. For some of those states in the north, maybe 4 or 5 or 6 billion. So it's a capital intensive project, which is what is driving the corruption in our country right now.
Now let me prove it. By the end of this video, you will realize that even if they bring Jesus Christ to be president of Nigeria, he no go fit fix anything. Calculate with me. If for a senator to secure a senatorial seat will cost 1.2 billion and we have 109 members on that seat, the total amount that they will spend is about 130.8 billion for election. Now, let's go to the next one. House of Representative, they equally spend about 1.2 billion. Don't let us over exaggerate. Let's say they spend minimum of 1 billion. And we have about 360 members. That is, they are spending 360 billion for election. And you see Nigeria, they poor and they borrow money. Let's get to the next. Our governors. We have 36 governors. I don't want to know whether Wike did there, Wike no did. 36. They are spending nothing less than 20 billion to secure, I don't want to exaggerate, 20 to 25 billion, no, 20 billion to secure that seat to become a governor. So 36 governors is spending nothing less than 720 billion to secure that seat. Now, State House of Assembly, they used to have minimum of 24, but except for some states. So Lagos State has 40, Kano has 40, River State has 32, Anambra has 30. And their total numbers are 990 members. And they are spending nothing less than 544.5 billion. The total number of everything is 107.553 trillion for election. If you are the one that is spending such money to do election, how long will it take you to get the money back? And will you reason anybody? You think say now your vote they can't, or they are doing their business. Like you heard this last speaker said, he said it's a capital project. So you are not their project. The contracts and the facilities you see they are putting in place is a way for them to get their money back. Is it not a scam? And Nigerians are not doing anything about it. If you bring Jesus, Jesus cannot fix it. Let us calculate the numbers of all these people together. The total numbers of legislators are 469 members. So calculate everything. It will give you 1,490.
Some people they happy for democracy while some idiot one the demo decrease. Food do not dey, water not dey. And our road do not good though. Worry about the NEPA people will not get light up to today. You see those guys, they are the voice of the people. Those are the real musicians. Those are the Afrobeat musicians. All those people now are recognized as an Afrobeat singer or Afrobeat musician. You see, those are the son of Africa, the son of the soil. Not be this the Davido, Burna Boy, Whiskey, when they inherited oppressive system from this federal government of Nigeria. This democracy system of Nigeria, those guys, the inherited oppressive system for them. The music when they sing, it is not for the movement of African people. They seek to oppress the people, talk about gangsterism, promote martial law, all kind of drug here in Africa. And now they call those kind of people Afrobeat musician. No, no. Burna Boy buy $1 billion car. Davido buy $1 billion car and $1 billion car. All these things are to just to distract the citizen, distract the youth, because they know say they be follow. So they have to create that system of follow, that system of distraction. You see? Now they do not be saying anything. Promoting luxury life of Oyinbo people here in Africa. And they call yourself Afrobeat musician. You see, happiness is a peace of mind. Joy, happiness, peace. You see, they're all peace of mind. It's a state of mind. Fine. The system is rough. Oppressive system is going all over. The country is hot. Definitely, a lot of people cannot meet up with their standard, but be consciousness of yourself. Be happy. Have your joy, you know. Don't lose your mind. Never lose your mind. Drive on and don't follow anybody. Davido and chief prince dey go visit Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Na that one na Nigeria they know wetin dem dey do. Na wetin dem go do? Dem fit allow Idris Abdulkarim go see president. Wetin dem go do for there? Dem go praise themselves. Dem go praise themselves new. Say you are well done, my boss. Now they do the good job. Now they distract the youth well. Now they blend them to court. And they take drug. Yes. Now they do our business. They all government chicken boy. All those mosquitoes when they fly follow government because of wetin dem dey shop. When they turn them to gay scallywaggy. Gonna boy come dey waka like scallywaggy. You know. They fuck themselves nyash. When they fuck their nyash, they go now. They collect their award. When they fuck themselves, they go. They collect award. And one bastard. This is Africa. We are not in Europe. We have to promote our own thing. Talk about what is happening in our community. Not be all those one.
Èmi nìkan kọ́, ẹnu mi ò lè gbá tán, bọ̀ kí ni mo lè ṣe? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa kó jáde wá. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kó.
You come see am, wetin very dark man dey try talk about Burna Boy, Davido, Wizkid. You no understand? Wetin dey try talk be say the money wey dem dey flaunt for all those material things too much. Why people dey hungry? If una dey follow up for my page, last year I said the same thing when they go club during that Christmas time. They spend 50k, some spend 70k dollars for club for drink. I call the answer that time say una dey spend all this money. Wetin una don give una fans, una follower for the Christmas to compensate them for streaming una song? A lot of people were against me that time. You no understand? Wetin very dark man dey talk be say people dey suffer. You no understand? Na 36 states na dey Nigeria. Imagine say Davido pick 10 states, Burna Boy pick 10 states, Wizkid pick 10 states. You know understand? They invest something for there. People go there, they go work, they earn salary. They don't create job opportunity for people. You know understand? You go they buy motor 2 billion, 1 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. Now people they stream all those on music. Now people make them known around the world. What do they do to compensate to our fans? To tell them so I love them. Even free show, now not fit do for Nigeria. Up to free show for maybe okay, yeah, don't end. Now not fit give us everything we are paying for it. Now very dark man they try talk. When I get those money, when I empower the youth, create job opportunity. You know understand? Help the poor. People are suffering. I swear to God, people they suffer. Some people they die every day because of say they don't see food shop. Hunger and starvation. Yes, we know say they not be president, but you know say if God don't bless you, it good may be a blessing to other people. You know understand? Now their money we know, now their rights we know, but at least job opportunity go a long way. Do investment for those states. When people they go there go work. Imagine say you create job opportunity for people, you know the prayer for the rest of your life. Because any day when they come work, they're gonna start because of you that they get their daily bread. You know understand? So to me, very dark man not talk bad. Oh. You not talk bad. You know understand? And the right thing in the talk. You guys have the money, help the poor, create job opportunities. I thought say Nigeria no go feel better. And Nigeria won't get better when we will not feel help our own self. Yes, nah. We will not feel help our own self. Yes, we know say they not be president, they not be governor, but they get the money. They get the funds. How many motor you fit drive? As you dey there so, may you be the richest man. The day when you go die, now one motor they'll take carry your casket. Like may you get 100 houses. The day when you go die, now one house they go bury you. You don't understand? Now so life be. So take it easy. Everything are vanity upon vanity. Help while you can. Now but see the boy they try talk. Not be saying mean to disrespect una or mean to insult una. But it is just like you guys should try. Show love to the masses. The people they stream on a song, show them love in return. You know understand? Create job opportunity. More yes, okay, Burna Boy don't do this investment, or they don't do this investment, or Wizkid don't do this investment. Make people they go there, go work, they collect salary. You know understand? Now what thing they try talk, so not be bad thing, make everybody calm down. You know understand? It's all love, peace out, and blessing. Me, I know they support anybody, but now the truth I stand for, because this particular thing when you talk, I don't first talk last year. I don't talk the same thing last year. Say una dey buy motor, una dey go club. But una tell they support una fans. But una tell they encourage them for streaming una song, bringing una this far. Because without the fans, you guys are nothing. If people don't stream una song today, una go broke. You don't understand? If people don't talk about una, nobody go give una all those show. Now because if people they talk about una they trend. People they stream una song. Now why people they call una for show and the rest? So return the energy back. You don't understand? Let your fans feel love. It's all of peace out and blessing. Now true very dark man they talk, you not talk bad for my own opinion. You don't understand? That you gonna buy motor 2 billion, 3 billion. What do you tell they help your fans? Which investment you don't do for gonna say tomorrow if you die? They will say, now this is the person do this thing. No, you not there. You don't understand. You're not supposed to be like that.
Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Kemi Olunloyo for Kemi Talks Media. And here is the latest on Kemi Talk Safety, my campaign against criminal herders and hunters. Actress Rahama Saudao, a Nollywood actress, well, they call them Kannywood because they're up there in Kano. I think she's a native of Kano. She's talking to the media. You know, you got to remember something, guys. All right, there's some of us that the media could be reporting what we're saying, but they don't. They don't report Kemi Olunloyo. They don't because they've been asked not to. None of the stuff I've been doing today, April 1st, 2025, is even in any paper, any TV, any nothing, because that's how they operate. Lies. Rahama Saudao spoke to the media and said that she is demanding justice for the victims of the Edo massacre because the North will never forget this. Who the fuck is the North? Rahama, we're going to cancel you. Okay, we will cancel you from Kannywood or wherever. Everybody must unfollow her. These are the Nollywood girls that are getting money from the politicians, that are carrying money for them. I'm not saying she is laundering money. I'm not saying she's sleeping with anybody, but all of them are doing it. Okay? It's not allegations. Don't let me focus on you, Rahama. You need to keep quiet. If you're going to talk about this, okay, you talk about it responsibly, but not demanding justice, okay, for 16 terrorists. They were not travelers. Girl, they were not travelers. We know what we're saying. Okay, you just want to put your mouth into the activism thing, right? We know what we're saying. I mean, look at what your governor is doing to start with. She's demanding because the North will never... Who is the North? You need to stop. If we start our own campaigns now, the South will never forget Deborah Samuel. The South will never forget Showere's brother. Jide Showere was shot in Edo State, dead by herders. What happened to that? Why didn't you put your mouth into that? Okay? The next Nollywood star actress or whatever that comes into this thing I'm doing, okay, needs to be careful because I will zero in on you. So Rahama Saudao, stop it. Because if we decide that the South will not forget about it, the same will happen to the 60 farmers that were killed in their sleep in Ondo State. Don't start me.
Imagine this present government built Third Mainland Bridge. Ha! Recent governments in Nigeria don't even want to construct any road again, except for revenue generation. And that's exactly why you see that there are so many roads in Nigeria begging for attention and nobody is talking about them. No matter how we have shouted, government does not want to fix roads in Nigeria except for private capitalist interests. And that is why any road you want to build, they want to toll. Go to Ogun State, for example. When they managed to construct Agbara Lusada Road, they told it. Ekpe Ijebu Road, they opened toll. So government can never build road again in Nigeria except they are going to be making money from it. So everything government does in Nigeria today, money must be made on it. So now look at the coastal road. From VI to Eleko is only 47.5 kilometers. They are already proposing to put 2 tolls within just 47 kilometers. Can you imagine that? So imagine that they were the ones that built Third Mainland Bridge or more. At least 2 tolls will be on it. One at Obalende, another one at Oworonshoki. Even for not having built the Third Mainland Bridge, they have to go and repaint the bridge and put revenue structure on it. They didn't even paint the Third Mainland Bridge for free. They had to install camera like Big Brother, put a Big Brother on it, install CCTV to the monitor. They now imposed 80 km/h speed limit on it. Do you know what 80 km/h means on a Third Mainland Bridge? 80 km/h. If it is not for revenue generation, why 80 km/h? Make on they drive like snail, like a snail pace. Now they move on a Third Mainland Bridge. So anytime you see government coming to paint a wall near your vicinity, they want to generate revenue. Anytime you see government, this government, they want to paint floor now for revenue. Government of Nigeria can never do anything for free in this country. So that is why you must begin to review the way you see yourself. Your own perception is that you are a citizen. You see yourself as a citizen in this country. But this government sees you as a customer. You are a customer, you are not a citizen.
lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo kí wá pàkó bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mú kẹ́yìn ìyá mú kẹ́yìn bàbá mú kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mú kí àbúrò ojú wo lẹ fi wò ó? Báwo lẹ ṣe rí sí? Ṣé mo sọ fún yín gbogbo ẹnu tán? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ibi báyìí la máa mú ètò wá sópin sí lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Bó bá ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí náà, ẹ má gbàgbé láti fílẹ̀ nínú comment section náà. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ mi nìkan, ẹ bá fílẹ̀ nínú comment section bó bá ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí yín. Ojú tẹ bá fi wò, ẹ bá fílẹ̀. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ nígbà àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́yẹ kó darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní inú ilé aláyọ̀ yìí, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe. Ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti bá wa tárí ẹ̀ síwájú, láti bá wa share. Òun ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, so that ẹlòmíì náà á tún lè jẹ àǹfààní nínú ẹ̀. God bless you. Ire o. One love.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.